What I love about this rebounding exercise is how it strengthens your short and your long range muscles in your eyes. So remember that glasses do weaken your eyes, so as much as possible don't wear your glasses. And there is a way that you can get rid of cataracts, and that is 1 drop of castor oil wiped over the eyelid. It'll go through the lashes, the castor oil will penetrate in through the eyelid and also into the eye through the lashes.
Do you worry about losing your vision after 50? Today, I'll show you the most effective method to prevent macular degeneration and protect your eyesight. If you're over 50, you've probably heard of macular degeneration or AMD. It's a leading cause of vision loss, and as we age, the risk increases. The scary part is that it can happen so gradually you don't notice until it's too late. But the good news is, it doesn't have to be inevitable. Dr. Barbara O'Neill has shared a simple, natural way to prevent AMD and preserve your eyesight, and I'm going to reveal it to you right now. Stay tuned because you won't want to miss this life-changing information. You've probably heard that macular degeneration is unavoidable as we age, with many doctors calling it just a normal part of getting older. But here's the truth, you can actually take control of your eye health. Dr. O'Neill has uncovered some powerful, natural ways to protect your vision. And the best part is, you can start today. These solutions are simple, affordable, and easy to access. Imagine being able to enjoy clear vision well into your later years without worrying about losing it. That's exactly what we're about to explore. What is macular degeneration? Macular degeneration is a condition that affects the macula, the central part of your retina responsible for sharp, detailed vision. It's like the high-definition part of your eye that allows you to read, recognize faces, and see fine details. When this area begins to deteriorate, it can cause blurry or distorted vision, making everyday tasks difficult. In fact, studies show that nearly 1 in 10 people over the age of 50 will develop some form of AMD, and the numbers are rising. But as Dr. O'Neill reveals, preventing AMD doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. With some simple lifestyle changes, you can significantly reduce your risk. Now, let's look at the natural ways you can protect your vision and prevent macular degeneration. Let's begin with a common food that's likely already in your fridge: spinach. Spinach is a nutritional powerhouse and one of the best foods for eye health. The key ingredient is lutein, a strong antioxidant that helps filter out harmful blue light and protect your retina. Lutein also shields the macula from oxidative stress, a leading cause of macular degeneration. Studies show that people who eat more lutein have a much lower risk of developing age-related macular degeneration. How much spinach should you eat? Just 1 cup of cooked spinach per day is enough to give you plenty of lutein for eye protection. You don't need to make big changes. Simply adding spinach to your meals can help keep your vision healthy. If you're not eating spinach regularly, you could be missing out on a simple yet powerful way to prevent macular degeneration. So go ahead and start making spinach a part of your daily routine. Your eyes will thank you. Now that we've covered how spinach can protect your eyes, let's talk about another natural food that's been proven to help prevent macular degeneration, something that comes from the ocean. What if I told you the ocean contains a hidden secret that could boost your eye health? Seaweed isn't just for sushi, it's actually packed with nutrients that are great for your eyes. One key nutrient found in seaweed is astaxanthin, a powerful antioxidant. In fact, astaxanthin is up to 6,000 times stronger than vitamin C at fighting free radicals and oxidative stress, which can damage the retina and lead to macular degeneration. Seaweed can also help reduce inflammation in the retina and promote overall eye health. Plus, it's easy to add to your diet. You can find dried seaweed snacks at most grocery stores or sprinkle it into soups and salads for an extra nutrient boost. Adding seaweed to your diet helps protect your eyes from free radical damage and can lower your risk of macular degeneration over time. Now, let's shift our focus to a small seed that can make a big difference for your eye health: flax seeds. Did you know that one of the most beneficial foods for your eyes is actually small flax seeds? Flax seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which play a key role in reducing inflammation throughout the body, including in your eyes. These healthy fats are essential for maintaining a healthy retina and supporting its proper function. Omega-3s also help prevent the buildup of harmful substances in the eye that can lead to macular degeneration. Adding flax seeds to your daily diet is simple. Just mix 2 tablespoons of ground flax seeds into your smoothies, oatmeal, or sprinkle them on a salad. It's an easy way to support your eye health with minimal effort. Adding flax seeds to your diet can help improve your eye health and lower your chances of developing macular degeneration. It's a simple change that can have a big impact. Let's explore how small lifestyle changes like this can make a noticeable difference in your eye health overall. Did you know that too much sun exposure can raise your risk of developing macular degeneration? Excessive exposure to UV light can harm your retina over time, potentially leading to macular degeneration. That's why wearing sunglasses is one of the easiest and most effective ways to protect your eyes. Make sure to choose sunglasses that block 100% of UV rays to guard against the harmful effects of sunlight. Remember, UV rays can still reach your eyes on cloudy days, so it's important to wear sunglasses whenever you're outside. By simply protecting your eyes from harmful UV rays, you can greatly reduce the risk of macular degeneration and help preserve your vision for years to come. Now that we've discussed protecting your eyes from the outside, let's finish by highlighting the importance of staying hydrated to keep your eyes healthy from the inside. Here's an important tip that's often forgotten. Drinking enough water is essential for keeping your eyes healthy. Dehydration can cause dry, irritated eyes, making them more susceptible to damage from pollutants and UV rays. Staying hydrated helps keep your eyes moist and healthy by supporting the flow of nutrients that prevent conditions like macular degeneration. To keep your eyes in top condition, drink plenty of water throughout the day. Aim for at least 8 glasses. It's a simple, natural way to ensure your eyes stay nourished and protected. Staying hydrated helps support your overall eye health, which is crucial for preventing macular degeneration and preserving your vision for the long term. These natural strategies aren't just about preventing macular degeneration, they're about empowering you to take charge of your eye health. The small changes you make today can have a big impact on your vision and overall well-being in the future. Picture being able to enjoy all your favorite activities without the fear of losing your eyesight. By following these simple natural remedies, you can significantly lower your risk of age-related macular degeneration and stay independent as you get older. So let's recap. You don't have to just accept macular degeneration as part of aging. By adding spinach, seaweed, flax seeds, protecting your eyes from UV rays, and staying hydrated, you can significantly reduce your risk of AMD. These are simple, actionable steps that you can start today to preserve your vision for the future. Don't wait for macular degeneration to take hold. Take action now and protect your eyesight for years to come. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family so they can benefit from these eye health tips as well. Make sure to follow us for more valuable health tips and natural remedies. Comment below which of these tips you're excited to start using today, and let us know if you have any questions. We'd love to hear from you. Protect your vision now and see the future clearly.